My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Dear student, the previous class I discussed about English grammar and second paper sentences. According to structure, there are three kinds of sentence. They are simple, complex, and compound. They are simple, complex, and compound. So you should follow the class very carefully. I have not so much time in my hand, so let's do the class attentively. Look at the whiteboard. Today I am going to discuss about simple, complex, and compound. In previous class we discussed what is simple, complex, and compound. Simple. A simple sentence must have one subject or one finite verb. A simple sentence must have one subject or one finite verb. That means I am a student, student. One subject, verb, object. This sentence is simple sentence. One subject, one finite verb. Finite verb means object with verb. Object with verb. This sentence with verb with object, it is called finite verb. I do. I do. It is not finite verb. I do. It is not finite verb because there is no object. There is no object in here. It is not finite verb. I do the work. Is finite verb. Now it is finite. Or I do the work with object. Verb with object is called finite verb. Okay. Second, complex. You have from ABX. I know the place where he was born. I know the place where he was born. I know the place. It is a part of sentence. Where he was born. Where he was born. Another part. Where he was born, it is another part. That this sentence connected where, who is, when, how, what, if, though, although. This sentence connect two clause connected. There is a clause, there is another clause. Connected what, who is, when, how, if, though, although. It is state first clause or second clause. First clause or second clause. When I know the place, it is the principal clause. It is the principal clause. This sentence connected The clause connected where, which, when, how. If, though, although, as. It is called subordinate clause. It is called subordinate clause. If you play, P-L-A-Y, play in the rain, R-A-I-N, rain, you will catch, C-A-T, catch cold, C-O-L-D. If you play in the rain, you will catch cold. Which parts are principal clause or subordinate clause? Which parts are principal clause or subordinate clause?
If you play in the rain,
If you
principal
play
clause.
in the rain, you will catch cold. Which part
The principal clause of
is principal clause or which part is subordinate clause?
if you play in the rain is principal clause.
Catch cold. It is a principal clause. That means those sentences connected if, though, although, as, which, what, when, it is called subordinate clause. It is called subordinate clause. Principal clause. Principal clause. Subordinate clause.
जी सर
Okay, my dear students,
जी सर
when any sentence connect if, though, although, because, which, what, when, it is called subordinate clause. We recognize it the symbol of the symptom of if, though, although, because, what, which, when, how. I know the place where you are born. Where, connect, where. Connect, where. Next sentence connected, where, and stay, where. Next sentence. That is why it is subordinate clause or dependent clause. Principal clause always all in all. Subordinate clause always dependent clause. It is not meaning of its own. It depends principal clause. It depends principal clause. Okay. Next sentence. If you, I hope that many students will be joined, but they are not acceptable
করাচ্ছেন এটা
join.
তো আমাদের ইয়েতে নাই শর্ট সিলেবাসে নাই কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ড এটা কি আমাদের ইয়েতে আছে শর্ট সিলেবাসে
Although in until unless before after so that while. Okay. Who, with, where, when, how, because, etc. My dear student, follow the whiteboard and listen to me what I say. It is the symptom of complex sentence. It is the symptom. What are you identify? You will identify this sentence, complex sentence, remain and any clause connect as, if, when, where, since, though, although, till, until, unless, before, after, so that, while, who, which, where, how, because. Okay. It is the symptom of simple sentence. When you will see this sentence, another any clause connected, any clause, first clause or second clause or third clause connect as, if, when, since, though, although, till, until, unless, before, after, so that, while, who, which, where, how, because, connect. We will recognize complex sentence. My dear student, are you understand this topic? Are you understand? Hello? Hello?
জি স্যার, জি স্যার শোনা যাচ্ছে।
So, complex sentence identify this symptom. Okay. For example, as I was in, I could not, as I was in, I could not attend ATP, PND attend school. As I was in, I could not attend school. This sentence is complex sentence because first clause connect as. First clause connected as. It is called subordinate clause. It is called principal clause. Those clause connect as because that is what, how, when. It is called subordinate clause. Next clause, principal clause. This sentence is complex sentence because the clause connected as. Okay. Dear student. Okay. Next. So is for he is honest. So is for he is honest. Isra, reply me. Which clause is subordinate clause? Though he is poor, he is honest. Which clause is subordinate clause?
Though
Jubai,
he is
reply me.
though he is
Though he
poor.
is poor, he is honest. Though he is poor, he is honest. Which part
Okay.
is subordinate clause?
First part is subordinate clause. Though he is
Though
poor.
he is poor, subordinate clause, because this sentence connected though. It is subordinate clause. Next sentence is another clause is
Principal clause.
principal clause. Principal clause. He is honest. Principal clause. Though he is poor, subordinate clause. Thank you very much. Next example. Next example. Unless you study, hard, you will fail. Okay. Divarapri. Unless you study hard, you will fail. You will fail. Which part is subordinate clause? Which part is subordinate clause? Unless you study hard, this clause is subordinate clause because here this clause connected unless. This clause connected unless and another part principal clause. Another part principal clause. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next. Compound sentence. Compound C-O-U-N-D. Compound sentence. What is compound sentence? What is compound sentence? Okay. Work hard and you will pass the final exam. Work hard and you will pass the final exam. Work hard is a clause. Another clause, you will pass the final exam. You will pass the final exam. A compound sentence must have two principal clause. Work hard principal clause, and next you will pass the final exam. It is a principal clause. It is a principal clause. Those clause two or three principal clause connected and but or when two or three principal clause connected and but or we shall identify this clause or this This sentence compound sentence. We identify two clause connected or three clause connected and but clause. This is principal clause. This is principal clause. Both of them principal clause. There is no subordinate clause. Two or three or another principal clause connect and but or we shall identify this sentence is compound sentence. Work hard and you will pass the final exam. It is compound sentence. We identify the symptom and but of. Okay. Next. Next. Compound sentence identified and part or create or otherwise as well as not only but also here also either or either not. Both and etc. My dear student, this symptom write down in your khata. This symptom is compound sentence. We shall identify this symptom will show and but or yet show not otherwise as well as not only but also either or neither nor both and. It is the symptom of compound sentence. It is the symptom of compound sentence. Okay. You write down in your kata this symptom. Okay. All student is what you will write down in your khata and part of it should not otherwise as well as not only but also either or and either or both and.
A.
Rồi lòng và tải bác.
Do or die. Do or die. This sentence is a compound sentence because two principal clause connect or two principal clause connected or. Number two, do and die. It is a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence. We identify this sentence connect or and but or. Okay. When we change it complex or complex, we shall change it complex. Do or die is negative. If you do not do, you will die. If you do not do, you will die. My dear students, you reply me. If you do not do, you will die. If you do not do, this part is, which part is subordinate clause? Which part is subordinate clause? If you do not do, you will die. Reply me.
If you do not do is subordinate clause.
Okay, thanks, many thanks. If you do not do, it is a subordinate clause, you will die, it is a principal clause. That means this sentence is complex sentence. We identify this sentence any clause connected if. Okay, clause connected if. It is next clause will maybe or first clause connect if. Okay, those sentence connect if. Next sentence if it is subordinate clause, it is principal clause. Another sentence if subordinate clause, it is a principal clause. We change it, compound change complex. Okay. When two clause connect or there will be don't, it is a negative. There will be a set of don't, do not, if you do not. But another sentence and it is affirmative. That is why we use not don't, not don't. Complex.
If you do,
If
you
you
do.
If you do, you will die. When two clauses connect or when we shall change complex, you use do not. When compound sentence connected, you will change complex sentence. If you do not, you will die. Okay, are you understand? There are a few changes. Okay, if you do, you will die. When the compound sentence connected, you change the complex sentence. Or if you do not, or you use do not. Okay. My dear student, next class we shall discuss about many things, many important things. It is very interesting class. Okay. So I invite you next class. I have not so much time in my hands today because there is bad situation, electricity disconnect, net problems here. all over problem. The global warming increase day by day. I hope that you will join at next class. My dear student, English is an international language. So I shall not fear it. We try again and again, because if you join any foreign country, you will know the English language fluency. So at first vocabulary knowledge increase day by day with meaning. So always practice your home, your father, your mother, your brother, elder brother, any places you use English vocabulary. If you do not practice, always you will not shine in light, shine in English, because practice will be performed in high position. So I request you will join my class fixed day and know the many things. You can know the many things. So there are bad situations whole world. Bangladesh is one of them. Coronavirus spread all over the world. Yesterday, Bangladesh, the people died 172. It is very high rate. So you should abide by the rules of World Health, rules of your school, and listen to me what I say, what your another teacher, your father, mother, always abide by the rules. That is why you remain good health. When you will go out your home, you will wear masks and always your hand, face, legs, wash, stop hairy oil. Okay, my dear student, next class, simple compound change. Simple to complex, complex to simple, compound to complex and simple. Okay, changing sentences. It is used not only this class, but also you use in college, university, and your interview, another interview. Many students don't many things. Okay. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty. Thank you very much, all the students. Next class, you will join me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.